Hey everyone, today we're reviewing Textero AI, a writing assistant tool designed to help with academic and professional content creation. But is it worth your time? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Textero AI claims to speed up academic writing by generating drafts and helping with research. It lets you upload your own PDFs and offers autocomplete suggestions to continue your writing smoothly. The interface is simple and user-friendly. The pros are availability or ability to upload your own sources to incorporate into your work, helpful autocomplete feature for text continuation, and easy to navigate menu. While the cons are, sometimes the generated content is a blank page or incomplete. Downloading documents can be problematic. Limited citation style options. Occasionally, sources found are outdated, requiring manual edits, and customer support issues reported with delay or no responses. Many users say Textero works best as a tool to draft initial ideas rather than a full content generator. It's not a write and submit solution, but more like a writing assistant that still needs your input and fact checking. Now, for the final verdict, Textero AI has potentially and some useful features, especially for academic research. However, inconsistent content generation and poor customer support make it less reliable compared to other AI writing tools on the market. Use it as a supplement, not a complete writing solution. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Textero AI, share your experience below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.